Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, how beautiful is your world, oh Allah. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, in every single view we see your Rahmah. Deep inside the silent woods, sunlight peeks right through. Leaves are dancing in the wind beneath the sky of blue. Little ripples in the pond, the gentle river flows, washing all the stress away, bringing calm repose. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, how beautiful is your world, oh Allah. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, in every single view we see your Rahmah. Listen to the little birds chirping high above, singing dhikr of their Lord with innocence and love. Fruits are hanging on the trees, swinging in the air. Looking at this lovely green takes away my care. La ilaha illallah, the wind and water sing, peace and comfort to the soul, nature's wonders bring. If you want to heal your heart, just look at nature's face. Say Alhamdulillah forever and feel His warm embrace. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, how beautiful is your world, oh Allah. MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, in every single view we see your Rahmah. Subhanallah.